Today we're making quick and easy budget-friendly tacos filled with papas, chile verde, and cheese. You want to get started by steaming your potatoes. You can do it on your stovetop or you can put them into your Instant Pot like I did, and all I did was place them in there for about 10 minutes and allowed for a quick pressure release. I chopped my potatoes into smaller little pieces just so that it's easier once we have to mix all our ingredients. And you're going to season with salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and this is a perfect time to add any other extra seasoning that you like. You're gonna add some green onions. I love adding roasted chile verde to my tacos de papa because it gives for a meaty bite and it's just a perfect combination. And some sour cream. Okay, and then I'm just gonna squeeze the potatoes a little bit with my strong hand, and then it's gonna start mixing all our ingredients together. Just because we're gonna be using flour tortillas, and for those, you wanna have a bit of a soft and a good bite. So we have the chile and we have a good bite of the potato. And now we're ready to fill our tortillas. You're gonna grab your filling. You're gonna place it right on this side. Make sure to leave a little bit of room because we are gonna be adding our toppings. Give a little squeezy. And see, it's really quick to fill these tacos. And now we're just gonna cook them up really quick and then I'll serve you. Place your burner on a medium heat and add a little bit of neutral oil. You don't need a lot for these. It's enough oil to coat the bottom of your pan. Once you've allowed your oil to heat up for about 45 seconds, you're gonna place your tacos. And since we're using flour tortillas, these will get done really quick. And by quick, I mean about 30 seconds on each side. And you do wanna be careful because your flour tortilla will burn easily. I'm gonna start by filling them up with some lettuce. I'm so hungry today. Then you're gonna add your pickled white onions. Then you add your salsa.